Do you like to drink a few beers, some wine, whiskey, or a couple of cocktails? And after you drink, do you get a little flushed, dizzy, or wake up the next day with a headache? Many people do. Some people are allergic to alcohol and cannot even drink small amounts. When a person ingests alcohol, the body converts it into acetaldehyde, a nasty toxic chemical that can lead to a miserable hangover in the morning. What if you could drink and not suffer the consequences? Unlike other products in the market that work indirectly to deal with the hangover symptoms, Hanggone is a revolutionary new patented dual enzyme-based product that helps metabolize alcohol and converts the toxic acetaldehyde directly in your intestine to small amounts of acetic acid, which is basically harmless. Hanggone can be taken before or after drinking and may be effective in preventing the negative effects of alcohol. And because it breaks down the alcohol in the intestine, it may protect your liver too. Developed by a world-renowned scientist with 50 years of experience in the field, Hanggone is ready to change the world. Drink and enjoy without the hangover.